Hey everybody, I'm just getting home from doing a small little tree job for one of my uncles. He's between 80 and 90, but way closer to 90. So anyway, I almost didn't post this video because it didn't go exactly as planned. I mean, it was my backup plan if it went this way, but it got a dead standing tree, got hung in a canopy, and so I had to like whittle it down to get it down. And I mean, that's a method that I really do not recommend. I mean, and so everything worked out well, but a lot of people watch videos on YouTube of people doing, things that aren't right, and this is one of those. But I've had to do this a number of times, and so I was relatively confident, as confident as you can be with a dead tree in this situation. So, all right, here we go. Okay, so today we're taking down a dead standing maple snag for one of my loyal subscribers, my Uncle Sammy. And so he wants it gone because it's in his trail and he's worried about stuff falling. He's not a kid anymore, so he just doesn't want to have to deal with that. So this is the tree we're going to be taking down. So hopefully it's going to go up there. It's the clearest shot, I think, canopy wise. So yeah, so let's get started on it. Okay, so we're gonna do a high stump on this one because there's no sense in being down on the ground for it. And so we're gonna do a high stump, about here, probably about 3 feet up. And I'm gonna try to do a shallow face cut so that way I have plenty of room in the back to wedge it. I don't know how much of that came out on camera or not, but if it came out good, you'll see why I hate to cut dead standing snags and canopies, because that one was not an easy one, and there was no way to get in with equipment to pull it backwards. So had a breath. Alrighty, well, hey, have a good week and stay tuned for whatever adventure we do next week. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Oh, and one more thing. I just wanted to thank my my new subscribers. We hit the 100 mark, and I'm at, I think, 112 right now, and so that's really awesome. And I wanted to thank Kenny for putting us up on the up on his sticker board. Kenny from Firewood Adventures. He's a great channel. He's got a lot of great content on there doing firewood and other adventures. He's got some great videos of going out on his side-by-side and stuff too. So join into Kenny's page.